Brought to you by GTA. We start with you.
Priority number one is really referral management. Looking at the crisis intervention and making and ensuring that the referrals are acted upon, and we are following the mandate of the law, which is they must be investigated within 72 hours. That's very clear in the law.
Although today marks the first day for double duty for DYA Director Melanie Brennan, she's still working on getting a clear picture on just how backlogged CPS is in investigating referrals.
I only know that, in FY20, they received over 1,000 referrals. And so, of course, the referrals don't stop because of the pandemic. So how many they addressed, how many were vetted, I'm not quite sure.
According to the governor's declaration of a state of emergency at CPS, for too long, cases went unreviewed and too many children did not get the help they needed by actively investigating and addressing the issues at this critical agency. The governor stating, quote, "We are safeguarding our children from any further harm." Brennan says an estimated 30 employees work at CPS, but not all are investigators or social workers. She will, however, detail some of her employees to help with investigations of referrals. The Department of Youth Affairs Director, however, acknowledges the work of CPS employees, having been in their shoes in the past.
Clarification on all those issues. With regard to any backlog of referrals and referral management with CPS, I guess that's why they're sending DYA in. There have been issues with recruitment of CPS workers for as long as I can remember. Even when I was a CPS worker, the turnover rate is so high. The work is so hard on an individual. You bring that home, it's not just 8 to 5. You bring home that stuff with you at the end of the night. And it can be grueling and very upsetting. And so I understand the critical nature of CPS. I understand that they have been overwhelmed for years, and the pandemic just brought about other challenges.
Brennan, in the meantime, is also asking the community to come forward if they are willing to help foster children.
I know that Child Protective Services has always had trouble with placement. And so I want to put it out there that if anybody is interested in fostering a kid in need, please call 475-2653. We need more foster homes. We need more suitable placements for kids who are in crisis, for families who are in crisis.